Yet again, I get to sing for the genius, the most talented, the most loved and extremely wonderful M. Jayachandran sir. And this time for a beautiful musical which has already happened in the yesteryears. It's a remake of that very beautiful film which is known for its music, Julie. And this time it's happening in Malayalam. So just imagine the history of that film associated with such good music, and in Malayalam, meaning how Malayalam people love good songs, good music, and they appreciate. So I knew that this time when I'm singing in this film, it would be something spectacular. And believe me, it has happened. The two songs I've sung in this one are just mind-blowing, and my most favorite is Nilave. I love that one. Just keep waiting for the music of Chatakari because you will just love it, and it's something which you can hear today, tomorrow, after 10 years, after 50 years. It's got that everlasting ethereal quality to it. I hope that you all love it. Thank you.
വിരഹവേനൽ തിരകളാ പടരുമീറൻ സ്മൃതികൾ